Today, class, we're going to learn about snakes.
Snakes? Are they scary?
Not at all, they're very interesting.
Cool. Green snake.
All right, class, what is a snake? Let's look at this world map. The bright green areas show where snakes live. See? On every continent except Antarctica.
Whoa.
Exactly. All right, class, let's look at the size of a king cobra. Here's a king cobra next to a small car, a school bus, and a person.
Whoa.
It's huge, as wide as my arms can stretch. The only snake that builds a nest.
Whoa.
The king cobra is unique. It protects its eggs in this nest. Wow, cool! All right, class, let's learn about the king cobra. Watch it rear up and spread its hood. See its olive green body gleaming? It's a powerful predator. Amazing, right? Class, let's see how big a king cobra is. It's longer than a car and even a school bus.
Whoa.
Look at that! It's enormous!
Wow.
Today, we'll learn about a very special snake. Look, this is the only snake that builds a nest.
I'm writing that down.
Exactly. See how she guards her eggs? Today, we're learning about the Green Anaconda. Behold, this massive creature is half submerged.
Whoa, it's huge.
It can weigh as much as a grand piano.
Wow, I'm drawing it.
The most beautiful snake pattern in the world. Look at the amazing colors. Now, try drawing it like this boy. Class, let's look at something incredible. This is the fang of a Gaboon Viper. It's huge. It's bigger than a child's finger, a pen, and even this pencil. All right, class, let's see how fast the Black Mamba is. Watch this. I'm the Black Mamba. See? Now, who is faster? The cyclist. Today, we're learning about deadly snakes. First, the Gaboon Viper. Look at its fang. It's as big as my pencil. Now, the Inland Taipan. One bite affects 100 adults. Let's look at the boa constrictor. Not venomous, but incredibly strong. See its strong coiled muscles? It squeezes its prey. This quiet-looking snake is the most venomous on Earth. Its plain appearance is deceptive. A single bite is extremely dangerous. Class, look at the Gaboon Viper's fangs.
They're enormous. See this pencil?
Now, the Inland Taipan. All right, class, look closely at the board. See the baby on the left and the adult on the right?
Whoa!
That's right, the color change is incredible. Awesome! The most popular pet snake in the world.
Ooh.
Okay, class, look at the board. Something amazing is about to appear. Wow, a horned viper. See the little horns of its eyes? Great job, you all look like little vipers. Look closely at this viper's horns.
Wow!
Let's all make horns like the viper. See, just like our little dragon snake. Watch what happens in the light. Isn't it beautiful? All right, class, check out this superpower. The spitting cobra shoots venom 2.5 meters. Eek! I'd cover my eyes. You try. Look at the board. We have a king snake and a rattlesnake. The king snake eats other venomous snakes, and their venom can't hurt it. That's right, it's completely immune. Today, we're exploring pit vipers and their amazing heat-sensing abilities. Watch this. See the glowing gay pits and the infrared view. See how the heat vision reveals the world to them? All right, class, look closely at this amazing creature. See its horns? Just like a little dragon. Now, let's all make the horn face. Great job, everyone. You look just like the viper. Okay, class, let's look at some snake records.
Wow!
The longest is the Burmese Python.
Green Python.
The heaviest is the Green Anaconda.
Big high.
Great job! Is it true that snakes are slimy?
Yes.
Let's see the truth. The fact is, snakes are completely dry and smooth.
Wow!